Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make almond butter. That's it. If you're tired of peanut butter, this is your chance. Almond butter, so delicious. Let's go to the ingredients. This recipe is so easy that you need only 2 ingredients, almond and a pinch of salt, okay? So you just heat up a little bit of the almond in your oven just for 5 minutes or so. It's not to toast, okay? It's just to get easy to extract the oils. So let's do it. We need to use food processor now. It's still a little bit hot here, so I have to have my dog to help me. Wow. We're gonna use the food processor for 20 minutes or so, but you can't let your food processor on for so long, maybe you're gonna burn it, so you can switch on and switch off a little bit to rest. Let's do it now. Well, after a long time using the food processor, like 10 to 15 minutes, I already got my paste-like consistency, so it's time to add the salt. Then turn it on again. Well, this is the result, a really nice and delicious almond butter that you can eat with bread by itself, or you can use another part with strawberry jam, blackberry jam, or whatever, which kind of jam you like it, like Americans do it. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with both. Like my daughter really liked to bring this to school to eat as a snack. I also like this. Next week, we have more videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and thumbs up. See you, bye bye.